What's up guys, Los Car 50. So I got a X-pipe in my trunk, Bassani X-pipe. These came with the high flow cats as well, but I'm going to run with the off-road. I'm going to go get these installed right now by my local muffler shop. I do need to get a bunge welded in for the wideband. So here it is. This came from the AEM kit, the fail-safe wideband I'm going to use. So I'm going to get this welded on, but I'd rather take it to the shop so they can mock it up, and then we'll see where it's a good spot to place this at. But yeah, here she is, Bassani X pipe. That way I'll have a full catback, Bassani catback. Right now I have the 2.5 inch muffler system coming out, but with this it'll complete the full catback system. So let's take it over to the shop and see what they can come up with.